check. Right, start with the basics. I got a 20 French kiss frame, which isn't that strong. Cracked twice. Dibs to Tony in Cornwall, who welded it for me. Got a nice little plate in there. Bit of rust going on, you know. I've got S&M Hoda bars, because they're massive, like me. ODI Pro grips, which are really soft and like nice in your hands. Some like scooter bar ends or something. I got a BSD sort of stem, which I rawed myself because it's the wrong colour. I got a nuke proof spacer because, like, I don't know, I found it. Salt headset, or like some shit one I found. I got Amity Jesus forks, which are the wrong colour again, which I need to get around to rawing. Yeah. I got a BSD street hub, nice. 3 pegs, because I'm like street as fuck. Illegal something tyres, which are really big, and I like them because they're like grippy. I've got profile cranks from like 2010, which I rolled myself, and I don't really like profile, but mine snapped, so yeah. I've got Odyssey twisted pedals, which I've nearly fucked after like a month already. I've got standard salt rim on the front, which is like great. It's like 20 quid and doesn't matter what front ring you have. I've got like more halo spokes or something, like nipples that came with it. I've got like a sick blue dust cap that came with the car, I think. Got DMR sprocket 27. It's like a bit harder gearing, crank the shit out of stuff then. What else? I got like a cheap bottom bracket, jog. We the People Supreme switch drive hub on the back, only missing one spring. Hub guards are shit for it, but I got one, so it doesn't really do anything, but yeah. Odyssey 7KA, a crucial sort of thing you have to have on a bike so it doesn't break. And I got United seat, which I got for like a tenner off of Aaron. Cheers, Aaron. And some sort of seat post, I think it's Federal, and that. Yeah, so that's my bike check. Oh no, and I got like some cheap chain which doesn't break other than like every 3 months. And yeah.
Bike check. Fuck that, I'm not doing a bike check.
People in prison and we're riding and whizzing and they're telling me buggy go and ride every